steel band and stainless steel buckle works. Let me show you how it looks like. This is the stainless steel band, and then usually you notice the width is either 16 mm or 12 mm. Comes in one row of 20 meter. This is how it looks like. Comes in 20 meter length. Stainless steel band with PVC coating, and then you cut your required length, and then you secure it with the buckle. This is the buckle, stainless steel 316 buckle. After you cut your required length, slot it in. Later I'm going to show you how you secure the band and buckle. So in the market, there are quite a few brands. As long as this is a 16 mm buckle, as long as using the right size with the right buckle, it's all applicable. I show you another. This is another brand, same with 16 mm. Same thing. Okay, done. Okay, pause 嘛。这样上去。
整个转过来。啊，这样整齐。